Myself, Amarjeet Singh Kalsi, working in Mapei, India as R&D head for concrete admixtures. So in today's session, we will be talking about the self-compacting concrete. As you all know that in today's world, concrete is placed in high-rise buildings and challenging structures. So you cannot avoid self-compacting concrete design. We must understand how well you can pack the granular ingredients, how best you can design the rheology of the paste to ensure that flowability introduced in the concrete system. As we will discuss about the codes of the self-compacting concrete, properties of the self-compacting concrete, some ideas on mix design of the concrete, use of chemical and mineral admixtures, and some discussion on test method, its advantages, application, uses of self-compacting concrete. There are guidelines available and relevant codes are available for self-compacting concrete like FNARC, IS 10262, ASTM 1611, EN 206. So first of all, we need to know about the self-compacting concrete, known as a special concrete that having high flowability, good segregation resistant, and ability to self-compact under its own weight without any mechanical vibration and tamping. So now we will talk about the mixed proportion of the self-compacting concrete. First of all, we have to understand what will be the water powder ratio should be there for the self-compacting concrete. It should be between 0.8 to 1.1 by volume. Total powder content should be around 400 to 600 kg per cubic meter. The coarse aggregate content should be around 28 to 35% of the mix volume. Water content should less than 200 kg per cubic meter of concrete. Fine aggregate content would be around 48 to 55 of total aggregate. So to achieve this self-compacting concrete properties, we have a different innovative products called Dynamon Extend series. This is possible due to use of high range super plasticizer of Mapei admixture called Dynamon Extend series, which will help to achieve the desired self-compacting properties. A material used for self-compacting concrete as a chemical admixtures as a Dynamon Extend series, and in VMA viscosity modifying agent product called Mapei Viscostar 3K for stability, and like minerals admixtures are used in the self-compacting concrete are GGBFS, fly ash, silica foams, and sometimes some stone powders to increase the powder content. Now we'll talk about the properties of self-compacting concrete. There are main three properties which are like filling ability, passing ability, and segregation resistant. These three main properties having certain test methods. For example, if you talk about the filling ability, so in filling abilities, there are different test methods called slum flow test, T50 centimeter test, and V-funnel test. And in passing abilities test, we will need to conduct the test called J-ring test, L-box test, and U-box test. In segregation resistant, there are certain tests called V-funnel at 5 minutes and GTM like screen test. So these are the main key test methods to design the self-compacting concrete. So there are certain limits for each test, and these are the test equipments used for conducting the self-compacting concrete design. Application and uses of self-compacting concrete, it has to be placed on a congested reinforcement, difficult areas of placing concrete, then elimination of vibrations, beam column joints, foundation and basement for water tightness, eliminate cold joints, precast concrete, and need to do the faster concrete. Overall, the durability of this concrete. What are the advantage of this self-compacting concretes? There are certain advantages like we can do the construction fast, reduce carbon emission, improve durability, higher strength, improved surface finish, segregation resistant, no external vibration, improved flowability.